welcome to my channel. This is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you are new here, try to subscribe, like and comment and share to your friends. And if you are a new subscriber, thank you for your support on my channel. God bless you. So I want to cook yam porridge, as you can see it there. So watch me how I cook it with my firewood in the village, how I cook my porridge and my grandmother teach me. So let's go. Porridge. You can see we are many in our house. We are like 15. So we are plenty. We are going to use 2 yam. Then that is green. You can see green, green, green. We are using 2 green. Got the egg leaf. Got the egg leaf. Vegetable and green. And that is the onions, onion, 3 Ghana pepper, our oil, red oil, cook Maggi season, and my salt. That is my salt. Let me open it. That is my salt. So let's enter into it. That is my salt. So let's enter inside kitchen now. With the yam, I've sliced this. So let me go and start cooking it. As you can see, that is the yam quantity. I've put the yam on the fire. I'm cooking with firewood. So let's cover it. Cover it and wait it down. Let us put salt. First of all, put salt. Then cover it. And put pepper, Ghana pepper. That is onions. Maggi. Maggi. So let's cover it. Let's put our red oil. Red oil. So let's cover it. Let's open the pots and turn it. I've put crayfish, as you can see. There's crayfish there, so I forgot to show you guys. Turn already done. We're going to carry it down. Very sweet. Let me carry it down and put my vegetable, that is Igbo process of porridge. Put down, and let's put our vegetable. Let's cut the table. This garlic egg leaf. We're going to put very fast vegetable. Our green. Then you cover it for the heat to do very well. I hope you guys learn it very well. This pot and see how the vegetable will be. So people are going to be surprised. See it up quick already and asking which kind of process is this. Is what my mom teach me, how the process. As you can see, have you seen that's very nice and lovely, and then you turn it very well, like very well. People will be asking this food is too much because we are 16 in the house of 15. So see, very delicious. So let me share it. I'm going to show you guys how we share food in our home. Very nice. Now let me put my daddy. My dad. My mommy. My Nancy. My senior brother. My lovely sister, my junior sister, Uloma. Meso, my junior brother. Last born, Amarashi. We are through and sharing this food. This one is too much. You see how we share the food. So thank you guys for watching. This one is for tomorrow morning. God bless you. Have a lovely day. Bye. Thank you. God bless you for watching. To eat my food, you guys join me. Let's eat. Have a lovely day. Bye.